two parallel wires carry equal current 10 ampere along the same direction and are separated by a distance of 2 centimeter. We have to calculate a magnetic field at a point which is 2 centimeter away from each of these wires. Let's say the two wires carrying current, let's say the current is inside the plane, so both are carrying the equal current. Let's say I placed at a separation of 2 centimeter. Alright, now we have to calculate the magnetic field at a point which is at a distance 2 centimeter from both the points. So let's say this is a point A which is at a distance 2 centimeter from both the wires. So here we have an equilateral triangle. Fine. So what we have over here is that the magnetic field direction will be like this. I mean, due to this current carrying conductor, the magnetic field will be in this direction, right, where this angle is 90 degree. Now similarly for this current, I can calculate the direction that will be in this direction, and my this angle, that is this one, will be 90. Alright, now what we have to calculate is the net magnetic field. So I'll take the component of both the magnetic field B1 and B2 over this axis and the vertical axis. Now first of all, this angle is 30, this angle is 30, this angle is 30. Alright, and I have to calculate this angle. Alright, and this complete angle, that is this to this, is 120 degree. So 120 minus 90 gives me 30 degree again. Alright, similarly I have this angle is 90, so this very angle can be calculated by vertically opposite angles, that is 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 and so this will be 30 degree. Alright, so taking the component we have here as B1 cos of 30, B2 cos of 30. Similarly I can write here as B1 sine of 30 and B2 sine of 30. Alright, now B1 will be given by mu naught I by 2 pi r. The current in the wire is 10 ampere, R is 2 centimeter. Similarly B2 is mu naught I by 2 pi r, because it is also carrying the same current I and having the resistance R. I'm sorry, the distance is 2 centimeter R. So clearly B1 is equals to B2, and so will B1 sine 30 is equals to B2 sine of 30. And since they are in opposite direction, so both of them will be cancelled. So B net will be simply 2B cos of 30, or I can write B1 plus B2 cos of 30, and direction is as shown in the figure. So substituting the value, I have 2B as mu naught I by 2 pi r into cos of 30, that is root 3 by 2. So on substituting the values, I have mu naught as 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, current as 10 ampere, into 2 into 3.14 into r, that is the distance, that is 2 centimeter or 0.02 meter. So on solving this, I get net magnetic field as 1.732 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. That is the answer.